Hi guys, it's Stephanie here from Oh You're Lovely, and the series continues. I can't help it. I want to make everything with lemons. Alright guys, today's tutorial, I promise this is the last lemon themed tutorial. There we go. Again, words are hard. But today I wanted to so badly work with some fresh lemons. I think you guys are going to absolutely love this tutorial. It's just going to bump up your arrangements, and they smell amazing. It's just going to be gorgeous. So let's jump into this tutorial. For this tutorial, you're going to need greenery. All of the greenery we're showing is found right in our shop, as well as some dyed Sola flowers. We're gonna go with bright, bold colors since we're kind of having that citrus pop. And then what you'll need is 2 vases. One vase is gonna go in the other, so make sure that you have a little bit of room, and what's gonna go in between, squished in there, is our good old lemons. So what we're going to be doing is just first getting our vase ready. So we're just popping in these lemons, squishing them in there. I cut up 5 lemons. I think that should be enough for this. Fingers crossed. And you want something that has a fair amount of space, but not so much that you can't, we don't want it super, super loose, but also not super, super tight. And that little lemon, I cut a little wide. Whoops a daisy. We're just filling that in. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I left the seeds in. You could take a time to take those all out. They don't bother me much. Should be enough. I might have to run in the house and grab one more lemon. So I did need to add 2 more lemons to fill out the rest of that, so that's all ready to go. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty all by itself. Oh, I'm loving it so much. All right, we're gonna go real simple with this because the lemons are kind of the star of this show. We're gonna grab 1 main bush of greenery, bushel, stem, whatever you wanna call it. I'm just so excited about this. We're just gonna pop it right in there. And then I've got these cream and green berries. We're gonna put that in there as well. Is. And then we're just gonna pop in our flowers. There you go, guys. This is like the simplest, quickest tutorial possible. Get yourself some vase, get yourself some lemons, quick little arrangement. Oh my gosh. If this doesn't scream summer, I don't know what will. If you love these tutorials, can't get enough, want to know when the next time we pop one up here, and I promise it won't be about lemons. This is the last lemon one. Maybe. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. And to find out about the 150 Sola style flowers, along with greenery and craft supplies that we carry, go to ohyourlovely.com. Until next time, this is Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye guys!